what's up, y'all? So it's been forever since I've had a video. My explanation of why is because I'm a lazy piece of shit. But really, I enjoy playing video games sometimes, right there. And sometimes I like not working. So whenever you have like a full-time job, that's kind of how it is, I feel like. So sorry I haven't had a video in a while, but I have been doing other stuff, which I kind of want to show you guys in this video and just kind of show you how life's been going. And maybe if you guys want some more videos, I can try to do that, because I actually do have a new work schedule, which I'll talk about in a little bit. First, here's a computer I'm working on. This is pretty cool. So this is Miranda, my girlfriend, in case you guys don't remember. It's her parents' old HP desktop, which still has like the plastic on, like they left that on. But so this thing's like, I mean, it's Windows 7 era, so it's probably like at least 7 or 8 years old or something like that. It was way dustier before. As you can see, there's still a little bit of dust now. But I got a lot of the dust out. That CPU heatsink, whoo, man, was that thing caked up, but it's a lot better now. Gotta love these ketchup and mustard cables, which still have dust on them, but yeah, whatever. So I found a used hard drive, and I installed Windows on that thing, and guess what? It was like loud as shit, like borderline clicking, and then I put Crystal Disk Info on that thing, and it was like, yeah, this hard drive's broken, because this is actually the hard drive that was on that computer. Hey Goose, hey Mav, how's it going? But that was the computer that actually was on this computer. This was a replacement, and it was already breaking. So don't tell Miranda's parents, but I bought them an SSD. I might have bought a really cheap one, but the reads and writes are still good. It's basically like 500 each, so should be fine. But got a PNY SSD, only like 65 bucks for 240 gig. Which is a pretty good deal, so should be a lot nicer. I think the computer is a dual-core AMD, clocked at like 2.2 gigahertz, 8 gigs of RAM, which is actually a lot of RAM for the time that this computer was built, so that's pretty cool. And let's see, what's the wattage's power supply? I'm sure it's fucking great. Is that 262 right there? Yeah, alright, cool. Beautiful. So I don't think it's GPU ready, but you know, pretty cool stuff there. I just got my power bill right there. Woo, Amarin, take my money. As you can see right here, we've been looking at houses, so that's pretty cool. So we kind of don't really like the neighbors up there. They are very loud, and they occasionally smoke marijuana, which I really hate the smell of personally. If you guys smoke marijuana out there, that's totally cool, but don't fucking smoke it around my apartment. And they're also loud as shit. And on top of that, they fucking take, they're not here right now. God damn it, I wish they were here right now. But they always park in like 2 spots. Pieces of fucking shit. I guess while we're looking at here, by the way, I got a subwoofer for my car right there. So if you guys want to see a video, it's an Alpine 15-inch Type S. I couldn't find a Type R 15-inch, but I got that. I just got it in a sealed box, and it's like a 500 watt RMS amp. So pretty cool stuff. I had somebody else install it for me, but I like having bass in my life, so I've been driving that car a lot, so I figured I need some bass. Oh, here's another cool thing I got recently. So I work at Jimmy John's, in case you guys don't know. I don't know if I really ever mentioned that in a video or not. I feel like I probably did, but so I work at Jimmy John's corporate, and they had like their Las Vegas conference. I think it's called the conference, right? If I get that wrong, I'm probably fired. But so they gave away these like portable Deemer box speakers. So they're pretty damn cool. Little 2 speakers right here, Jimmy John's logo. You can turn it on by pressing this little guy right there. It's Bluetooth, and it has an aux cord on the back. You can even charge USB devices, although I'm assuming it probably drains the battery pretty quick if you do that. And you can even close up this port and make it waterproof, which is pretty dope. So pretty cool stuff there. And it's like a Pelican case, I think. So like it's super durable. So it's pretty ballin'. So yeah, I've been looking at houses, so that's been pretty exciting. The kitchen's still pretty much the same. If you guys want to check out our meals for this week, go for it. If you guys want to check out our food, there we go. We just spent a lot of money at Schnucks, so that was pretty exciting. I love orange juice, in case you guys are wondering, so I always got orange juice laying around. I accidentally bought some stale Lunchables, which I'm not very happy about, but that's fun. And we got that ground beef. Tonight I'm going to be making Velveeta skillet, fuck yeah! And got anything good in here? It's not lit, but got some sausage, brat burgers, and let's see. This is a pulled pork and pineapple pizza. That should be pretty exciting. So a lot of people don't like pineapple pizza, but fuck the haters. I'm also working on a computer in here, so I'm still doing a little bit of freelance computer repair, so that's pretty exciting. This one had issues with Outlook, and I think they just wanted me to like try to speed it up, although it's kind of an old computer. Windows 7 era, once again, pretty old. That must be like a 2nd gen i3. It has hyper-threading technology, as you can read on here, and apparently this thing has a Blu-ray player on it, which is pretty dope. Especially like back in like the Windows 7 era, like a Blu-ray player on a computer now is crazy. Back then would have been wild. But I guess it is Sony, and Sony had the PlayStation, which I got my PS4 over there. Hell yeah! And I actually do have a MacBook, in case you guys are wondering. I use that to pay my bills sometimes. That's pretty much all it's good for. So anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. Not really too much going on, but if you guys want to see my car and my sub, make sure you leave a comment on this video. And beyond that, thank you guys for watching this video. And hopefully I'll see you soon. Charlie was actually here at the apartment, by the way. I was cat sitting for my dad while he's in Florida. My dad's going to go back in Florida again, so if you guys want to see Charlie at the apartment, let me know, and I'll try to shoot some videos. Alright, see you guys later. Oh wait. So I was actually going to tell you guys, I have a new work schedule. So I'm working 5:30 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. pretty much every day. Well, Monday through Friday. So that leaves a lot of time in the afternoon. It's like 4:30 right now. Pretty awesome. So it gives me time during daylight hours, especially in the winter. So kind of cool. Just thought I'd let you guys know that. So if you guys do want me to make some videos, I might have a little bit more time to make them. Not a lot, because I still have to go to bed at like 9:30. So because I have to wake up at fucking 4:30. But it's pretty cool anyway. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you later. Peace out.